Okay, I'm back with this guy. I couldn't find where the flash, not the flash is. I don't know why it's on. But, Disney 1369, Friday, December 3rd, 2021, 11 a.m. Oh, he's gone far away now. But yeah, that's a cool woodpecker. Oh, he's going up the tree. Oh, where's he going? Oh, he's gone up to that tree now. Oh, yeah, so that was a cool woodpecker. That was a really small woodpecker. I want to see another one. He's up there now. I want to see another really little woodpecker. That was cool. I gotta find out what kind of woodpecker that is. Oh, brr. My hand's cold. Brr, my hand's cold. Oh, there's a... Oh, it's a duck flying in. It's a duck flying in. Okay, that's a good spot to end this. My hand's cold. Okay, ciao for now, guys. I see something, so will you.